can take you anywhere in the world through the power of the wind. From the shore, you cannot see your destination, but you know it's there. The version of you that goes with the flow and rides the wind with no destination set could be sailing the waters for months, arriving in an unknown location. Or you have the option to set the course and stick to it. Let's say you want to sail to Aruba. When you have a goal set in stone, you plan and organize your trip to make it there in the quickest time and in the shortest direction. Both sailors are riding the wind, yet one has a plan and the other one does not. Imagine now that these two boats are setting sail from the same location. Notice how one boat allows the wind to pull them away without any guidance, and the other sailor focuses on using precise movements to accurately cut through the wind and move their vessel towards their destination. Both may enjoy the ride, yet one has a map and the other does not. So which boat did you choose to step on? The boat aimlessly going into the depths of the ocean? Or the boat with a skilled planner, focusing on a course of direction? Allow the images of the boat sailing in the ocean to fade from your mind now. Come to an image in your mind of how you focus on something you need to do. You may see a paper and pen to write the first drafts down. Perhaps you see a new document opened on your computer where you can jot down your goals and ideas of how to get there. Whatever way you plan and organize, see yourself now taking action and moving towards the planning stage of focusing on what you want to accomplish. See yourself brainstorming the process of the steps you need to take. See yourself focusing on the choices you make on a daily basis towards your aspirations. Good. Now gently return your awareness to the present moment, bringing with you a deep understanding that having a map as a point of focus is what guides you to your destination. Open your eyes and take on life with extreme focus.